Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI schools. Our mission today, complete lesson 1-3, the part that related with square root and estimate the square root. Okay, first of all, we have to simplify each expression in this question, but we have to understand what the meaning of the square root. Okay, as you know, the radical is the square root, okay, the sign or the symbol of the square root, and the number inside that live inside, like the 169 or the 36 here, called radicand. Yes, okay, it is beautiful. Okay, now as you know, this is equal, the answer here is equal 6. It is beautiful to know because the 36 come from 6 multiply 6. So you know that the square root of the 36 equal 6. Good. But what the meaning of the square root of the 36? That's mean I have a square, okay, and this square, the area for this square is 36, and you try to find the length of the side for this square. So when you get the answer here 6, that means the length of the side is 6. Okay, my beautiful boys. Okay, so the 6 that you find, it is the length of the side, and the 36 that you have here, it is the area for the square. Let us take another example here. Question number 10. We are here, my boys. Here I have a square, okay, and this square area, it is 169, okay, and you try to find out what is the length of this square, okay. As you know, the 169 come from 13 multiply 13, so it is equal 13. So the length of this side is 13. Beautiful. And we keep thinking in this way. So the meaning of the square root, it is related with the square, and the area for any square in the world, my boys, is side by side. Because of that, it is need the same number multiplied by itself. Okay, like here the 16, we try to find the length of the side for the square, the area or the square that has area 16, and the 16 come from, if you multiply side by side, it's come from 4. Yes, so the answer here is 4. Okay, let us move here. I have a big square, maybe big, maybe small, it is depend on the unit. Yes, I have a square, for example here, and this square area, it is 900. Yes, I bring it from here, and I'm trying to find out the side for this square. Okay, and as you know that the 9 is come from 3 multiply 3, but here 900, so I need 2 zeros here, so I add 1 0 here and 1 0 here, so it will be 30 multiply 30. Let me write it correctly, okay, because you are very important for me. So 9 equal 3 multiply 3. Yes, I need 900. Yes, double 0 here, come from 1 0 here and 1 0 here. So the side of this square equal 30. Okay, my dear student, nice work. Now we read to question number 13. Question number 13, I have building with two floors. The first one 36 over 49. Don't hesitate or think it is hard. You have to think the numerator up is 36 and denominator is 49. So you think individually, okay, about the 36. In the same way, you have a square, and the area for this square is 36 over 49, and you try to find the length of this side. Okay, Okay, now how I can find it? I have to find out what is the number that I multiplied by itself to get the 36. Yes, it's 6. And what is the number if you multiply it by itself you get the 49? Yes, it is 7. So 6 multiply 6 give me 36, and 7 multiply 7 give me 49. Because of that, I have 6 up for the 36 coming from the 36, and 7 down come from the 49. Nice work. Okay, I will take another example here. Okay, I don't want to take a long of time here. Okay, let me take this one again as a fraction. Yes, square root of 121 over 16 over, sorry, 120 over 16. Yes, and it is easy to know it is 11 over 4. Yes, but what is the story about or behind this answer? I have again a square with area 121 over 16, and the side for this square, okay, it is equal 11 over 4. Okay, now we need all the skills that we learned before to solve number 17. Stay with me. I will come here and write it here. It is 1. Okay, let me fix this. Yes, it is 1.96 or 1 and 96 hundredth. How we can find out the square root of 1 and 96 hundredth? Before you think about this, you have to remember the perfect square number, which is 196, and this is equal 14, as you know before. And what is the relation here and here? It is the same number, but I have a problem with the decimal point. I have to release this decimal point, so I have to kick it out. I need to pass two rocks here, or 2 digits. So I have to kick it to here. So I need to rewrite this number as 196. I get it, but to make this correct, I need to put it over 100. Why? This is the fees that cost me to push the decimal point 2 digits. Okay, great. Now I have this square root, and as you know before, the 196 is 14 and the 100 is 10. And now I'm trying to write this number as a decimal, return back as a decimal. So to release the 10 down, I have to bring back the decimal point here. Yes, so it will be 1.4 or 1 and 4 tenth. So let us come back here to the question. Okay, here I have a square, and this square has area 1.96, and the side of this square is 1.4, which equal 1.4. Okay, my dear student, good. Okay, what about 18? Read it. 25 is the square root again of 2500. That's mean it is 25 over 100. And let me fix this. The square root of 25 over 100, as you learned, the 25 is 5, and the 100, the square root of 100 is 10. 5 over 10 is 5 tenths, so 0.5. So the answer here, the answer here is 0.5. Okay, now what about estimation? Estimation, it is another story. Here if we have a perfect square number, it is easy, but here it is direct. Okay, but here I have non-perfect square. So how I can estimate it? I have to find two perfect square, one before and one after. The 17 here, okay, the 17, the perfect square that come before the 17 is 16, square root of 16. Okay, 16 is a perfect square. And the next perfect square after the 17 is, or after the 16, it is the square root of 25. Yes? So the square root of 17 is come between them. Yes? So the 16 or the square root of 16 equal 4. And the square root of 25 equal 5. So the square root of 17 is come between the 4 and the 5. So the answer will be, it is about 4. Okay, maybe 4.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, but it not reached to 5. But it's not reached to 5. It is before the 5. He asked me to estimate, so it is about 4. Okay, my dear student? Good. Now let us move to here, to 20. The square root of 35. As you know, it is not perfect square. So I'm looking for to estimate this square root of 35. So I'm looking for the perfect square that's come before the 35. As you know, it is 25. And the one that come after the 35, which is for sure 36. And from here I have 5. And from here I have 6. Okay, so it is between 5 and 6, but we take the least all of time, as we know, and it is not equal. Don't write equal, it is about. Okay, it is about 5. 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 till 9, 5.9, but not 6. Okay, my dear students? Okay, I think it is clear now, everything clear for you, and I hope you get from this video, and inshallah I see you later, my dear students, in next video inshallah. Thank you for watching.